How's it going, guys? Welcome to Raccoon Tactical. Today we got a lovely giant bag from the Bezos brand. So, first off, I want to thank Fintiso um, for another banger of a product being sent using the Ironfly Cyberfly 14C28N. It's just right into the bag. And, yep. I already know what that is. That's for a project coming up, which I might do a video on that. I've actually started getting into making scales for kind of oddball knives that you don't normally see scales made for, i.e., the Vosteed Raccoon. I've already got templates drawn up for. Might do a video on that, so let me know in the comments if that'd be something y'all would like to take my maiden voyage, and I'll video the whole process um, and what all that might entail. But to this here, we got Fintiso. And this is a new, oh, it ain't got a name, Fintiso folding knife, new G087. I do have to say, they do really well with their packaging, kind of making it nice. Let's see. Endless exploration, endless sharp. Let's see. Fintiso use manual comes in the box. Nice, nice. Let's set that aside. And it comes with a zippered pouch inside of a plastic pouch. That's one thing I can honestly say. They package their products very, very well. Let's see. Get your Fintiso branded cleaning cloth. Little Fintiso sticker. Spare hardware. And a very nice pouch. And what we have here, like it's button lock. Really nice muted black hardware. See right there, the 14C is peeking out. Nice inset. Deep uh, deep pocket clip. I have a bit of a gripe here, but looks like the pocket clip isn't fully seated, or got maybe damaged during the process of putting it together, but it's not fully seated, even though it's been milled out to be fully seated into the liner. This is right hand only, there's no lefty, but if you can't really get down in there, but I do see down in the liners there where there's two pre-drilled holes in the actual steel liners. So you could probably match them up if you're a lefty and just drill them out there. Drill out the holes on this side. Enough gabbing. Let's see what she looks like. Oh, oh, okay. Like the blade shape. Really, really like the blade shape. Yeah. Of course, nice and oil packed. Almost like they tried to stonewash this blade or something. Which, yeah, for what they're selling for right now, there is I want to say it's a 40% off coupon on Big Daddy Bezos's website. 40% off, which makes this like $28 after tax. Um, yeah, that's a pretty solid bargain for the money. Yeah. Again, this is just first unboxing, initial overview, um, not a review. I literally just opened the package. It just got here not 20 minutes before I'm supposed to be leaving for work, and I wanted to throw this video together and throw it out. Um, let's oh, yeah, definitely need some breaking in, or maybe I just need to work with it and learn how to flick a knife with thumb studs. Okay, yeah, got a little bit of paper here. It's kind of a thickerish stock of paper, but let's see. Nice. Oh, wow. Okay. So she is definitely a slicey blade. Really nice. Sorry about that, guys. One of the kids came in being rowdy. You know how the little ones can be. But yeah, this is honestly, I'm kind of excited to try this out. Okay, now she's loosening up. That's not it failing, that's just my big fat thumbs. But man, that is nice in the hand. Really liking that. But yeah. Get a little bit of pocket time in with this one. Oh wow. So that clip kind of reminds me of the CJRB, um, you know, how their design is and how it bends. Um, kind of wonder if it might interchange. It might be something I'll visit throughout the week as I work with this and see what she's made of. But enough John from me, guys. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, hit the bell icon so you can see whenever I upload new videos. And yeah, we'll see you soon with full review. Bye bye.